have your period this month? Do you even know? Did you know acupressure can help you to regulate a cycle? What I want you to do is I want you to put your hands together, and then I want you to gently massage your hands together. And we're going to do this together for the next 2 minutes, so follow along. While I'm doing this, I'm going to explain to you why this works. This acupressure point actually accesses not only the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, but also the uterus. And so by stimulating your hand in this manner, it's going to help move things along, help ovulation, and help the lining of the uterus to shed, allowing a period to happen. So this is just a simple tip. What you can do is do this acupressure point for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. And as you do this, it's going to encourage blood and bodily fluid along the way to help you to balance out hormones, whether it be estrogen, progesterone, FSH, or LH, to balance those things out to further help you to have a cycle. Of course, work with your physician. That's very important that you do that. And another tip that I want to give to you is to do your best to also manage your weight, whether you are overweight or obese or you're underweight. Do your best to do that, because your weight can also play a huge factor in having a regular period and period flow. So in summary, what you're going to do is get checked out by your doctor, but you're also going to do this tip a couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. And the last tip you're going to do is to do your very best to manage your weight, whether you're underweight or overweight, because that can play a huge part in regulating your cycle and allowing you to have the best optimal fertility on your fertility journey. Just a little tip to help keep everything nice and flowing and regular from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.